Hi my lovely view. Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set or insert signs and samples icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case I have to open any kinds of Microsoft Word file which I have been opened it before. So here we will go to the insert option. So insert have the icons. So here we have to click, then we will find lots of icons. So we have to insert, and before that we have to search the icon. So word signs and samples. So we have to click this. Otherwise we can search here from the name like nature, occupation, people. We can write and search it. So here the signs and samples. So lots of signs are here. So click multiple things. So the multiple things will marked, and the insert option has been click here. It will come. For working purpose we will work one, and rest of the part has been deleted. See, now you will work this. First of all we will work this right button, then this is the layout option of this scenario. So here the with text wrapping, so lots of wrapping. So we will do this because we will move anywhere with the writing things. See, lots of things, and the sign has the front side, that's why it is moving, and the written part has been the back side. So now we will do the graphics. So before that we have to mark this sign icon, and the graphics field will work. So see, lots of multiple color has been working. See, now we can do the things more field color. So here lots of color customs standard. See, customs standard, we can select it new or current. Here the current color, and if we select or give the multiple color, see the multiple color has come. See, in this here the dark color. So click here, see the color has been changed. Now we will do the graphics outline. So how? So before that you have to mark or select, then we will go to the graphics outline. So here we will give the, see, the black sign. It will work, or it will say. So here the sign color has been increase or decrease in this way. See the increasing option and the decrease. See, in this way. Also we will do the dasher sign. We will use, see, the dasher sign in this way. Now we will do the graphics effect. So how? See, the 3D graphics effect has been working this way. People, soft edge, glow, lots of things has been working in this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.